With the Levoit Classic 300S Humidifier, create healthy humidity the smart way. Using the free VSync app, you can control your humidifier from your smartphone and can even connect to third-party voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Rest easy knowing your home and belongings are well cared for, as auto mode keeps your target humidity in place, and the water tank's wide opening makes refills quick and spill-free. You can even add essential oils to the aroma pad for calming fragrances, and bring in a little light for quiet comfort. Refresh your space with Levoit.
With your new Levoit Smart Ultrasonic Top Fill Cool Mist Humidifier, you can refresh your home with ease. We'll show you how to set it up. Place your humidifier on a hard, flat surface. Make sure to leave at least 12 inches of space on all four sides. Now let's set up Smart Control. To connect the humidifier to your phone, download the free VSync app and create an account by following the in-app instructions. On the home screen, tap the plus sign, select Air Quality Products, and find your humidifier. When prompted by VSync, press and hold down the power button for 5 seconds to pair your humidifier with VSync. You'll be prompted to sign in to your Wi-Fi network. To finish setting up your humidifier, lift the water tank cover by holding the nozzle and pulling upward. Remove the tank from the base and fill the tank with room temperature water. We recommend using distilled or purified water. Replace the water tank cover and place the tank back on the base. Press power to begin misting. To explore different levels of humidity, press the mist level button repeatedly to change the mist intensity. You may also select auto mode or sleep mode, or turn on the optional night light. And if you'd like to add essential oils, it's simple. First, remove the aroma box by gently pushing inwards before pulling out. Put 8 to 10 drops of essential oil on the aroma pad. Then place the box back in the humidifier. Make sure to never put essential oils directly into the base or tank. Now that you're ready to go, we hope you will enjoy the soothing atmosphere that comes with the Levoit humidifier.
When you connect your smart humidifier to the VSync app, you can adjust settings, turn on auto mode, and more from anywhere you'd like. We'll show you how to get started. Before you get started, turn on Bluetooth and make sure your phone is not connected to any other devices. Then, open the VSync app. The app will ask you to log in or create an account. On the home screen, tap the plus sign, select Air Quality Products, and look for your humidifier. Make sure the humidifier is plugged in and turned on. When VSync prompts you, press and hold the Wi-Fi button for 5 seconds. The Wi-Fi indicator will blink and VSync will begin connecting to your humidifier. To complete the connection, sign in to your Wi-Fi network. VSync will then give you the option to name your device. Once you're connected, you can access your smart humidifier whenever you need it. When you pair your Levoit Smart Humidifier with Google Assistant, a wide variety of voice commands become available to you. Connecting your humidifier is just as easy. Before you get started, turn on Bluetooth and make sure your phone isn't connected to any other devices. Start by opening the Google Assistant app. From there, go to the Devices page. Select the option to link a smart home device. Next, search for VSync and select the VSync icon. This will prompt you to log into your VSync account. Once VSync is linked, you can assign the humidifier to any room in your house. After you've gotten started, you can adjust humidity, increase mist levels, and more with simple voice commands. When you